In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cloudflare worker in this 2026 full guide. We'll go step by step through the process inside the Cloudflare dashboard, so by the end, you'll have a worker created, edited, deployed, and tested. If you're new to Cloudflare Workers, think of them as lightweight serverless applications that run at the edge, which makes them great for APIs, redirects, custom logic, and fast web experiences. To get started, head over to the Cloudflare website and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can create a free one first and then continue into the dashboard. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand menu and open the Workers and Pages section. This is where Cloudflare lets you build and manage edge applications. From there, click Create and then choose Worker. This starts a brand new serverless project. Next, enter a unique name for your worker. Try to choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you end up creating more than one. After naming it, click the option to deploy or create and move forward. Once the worker has been generated, open the built-in code editor. This is where you'll customize what your worker actually does. You can replace the default starter code with your own JavaScript or TypeScript, or simply paste in code from an existing project. Take a moment to review the structure before saving, especially if you're importing logic from somewhere else. When your code is in place, click Save to store the changes. Saving is important because it updates the editor version, but it doesn't always mean the latest version is live yet. After that, click Deploy to publish the newest version of your worker. Now it's time to test it. Open the generated workers.dev URL in your browser and confirm that your worker is running the way you expect. If something doesn't look right, go back into the editor, review the code, save again, and redeploy. If needed, you can also configure additional settings for your worker. These may include environment variables, custom domains, routes, KV namespaces, R2 buckets, D1 databases, durable objects, or AI bindings. These options are useful when your project needs storage, database access, domain-level routing, or more advanced functionality. Finally, keep an eye on your worker after deployment by using the Cloudflare dashboard's monitoring tools. You can review logs, analytics, requests, errors, and performance metrics to better understand how your worker is behaving in real-world use. And that's how to create a Cloudflare worker from start to finish.